Hi everyone, my name is Arwa and I'm a licensed physical therapist. In today's video, I'm going to talk about this super handy tool called as the car assist or the car portable handle that can make getting in and out of the car a lot easier. Now, these are ideal for people with mobility problems, weakness or balance issues, or someone who is just recovering from surgery. This tool will provide you with the independence, support, and security that you may need during car transfers. It's super easy to install and uninstall and can be stored in your car's glove box. It fits on any U-shaped door latch with no modifications and has a rubber foam handle which contours to your palm and fingers and has a comfortable grip. Let me quickly show you how you'll maneuver with it. So you put it in and then you push on it and then quickly get into the car, and then you push on it and quickly get out of the car. And also it will help you to stand up and sit down by pushing on and off it. Now, in case of emergencies, this also can be used to break the glass. And also it has a blade over here that can be used to cut your seatbelt in case of an emergency. Now, I have put the link to this car handle below. Let me know if you have any questions. Please consider subscribing and giving a thumbs up if you found this information helpful. Thank you so much for watching and joining me here today.